Okay, friends. So now we are saying chapter number 3, video number 1, which is pair of linear equations in two variable. And here, pair of linear equations in two variables. First of all, we will discuss about linear equation in two variable that we have studied in standard 9. What was linear equation in two variable? Then let me clarify you. Let us recall that linear equation in two variable that we have studied in standard 9, which was ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are constant. As we can see here, there are two variables, x and y. Okay, why it is called linear? Because power of variable is maximum 1, so that the equations are known as linear equations. And as there are two variables, x and y, then it is called linear equations in two variable. That is the standard form of linear equation in two variable. And what is the necessary condition of it? That x and y cannot equal to 0, must not equal to 0 at same time. Means x and y are not equal to 0 simultaneously. मीन्स कि दोनों एक साथ जीरो नहीं हो सकते, बोथ कैन नॉट इक्वल टू जीरो एट सेम टाइम इन सेम इक्वेशन. एंड ए बी सी बिलोंग्स टू आर, ये कोई भी कॉन्स्टेंट नंबर हो सकते हैं. ए बी सी आर कोएफिशिएंट्स विच आर एनी रियल नंबर्स. Then as we can see here, that ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, which is standard form of linear equation. What is the condition? That x and y cannot be equal to 0 at the same time. Remember that in any linear equation, power of variable will be maximum or minimum 1, not less than 1 or not more than 1. For an example, I can say that 2x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. It is a linear equation in two variable, because x and y are two variables and power of these two variables are maximum 1. I can say 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. It is also called a linear equations in two variables. Okay, here also x and y two variable, coefficient of x, which is a, is equal to 3, coefficient of y, which is b, is equal to minus 1. If there is nothing, there is 1 always, as we know. And constant term c is equal to 0. Can I say that 2x minus 5 is equal to 0 is linear equation in two variable? Then remember, it is a linear equation in two variable. Why? Because the condition is x and y both cannot equal to 0 at same time. But any one of them, any one of x and y can equal to 0. So here 2x, y is not here in the equation. 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. So I can represent the equation in the standard form. If I want, then I can write it 2x plus 0y or minus 0y. It doesn't matter. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Plus 0y है या minus 0y. तो plus 0y minus 5 is equal to 0. So it is a linear equation in two variable. Remember, if I can write or if it is asked that 3y minus 1 is equal to 0 is a linear equation, then yes, it is a linear equation. As here not the term of x, then I can write 0x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. It is a linear equation in two variable. Can I say root 2x minus 3y is equal to 5? Is it linear equation in two variable? Then here it is also a linear equation in two variable, because I can write it as root 2x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. It is a linear equation in two variable. But if I write like that under root 2x minus 3y plus 5 or minus 5 is equal to 0. So is it linear equation in two variable? So remember, it is not a linear equation in two variable, because power of x is fraction here. So it is not a linear equation in two variable. This all that we have studied in standard 9. So now we are going to pair, to find the pair of linear equation, or how can we say that this is a linear equation in pair of linear equation in two variable. Then what is the standard form of pair of linear equation in two variable? Let us see. Standard form of pair of linear equation in two variable. Then standard form is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Here also I'll say that x and y cannot equal to 0 at the same time, the necessary condition. And as we have seen in the previous method, a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2 are coefficients or constant terms. They are belongs to R, means a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2 all are real numbers. a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2 all are real numbers, belongs to R, remember. Okay, and that was condition that I said, that x and y cannot equal to 0 at same time, मतलब दोनों के स्क्वायर का सम 0 नहीं हो सकता. ओके, एंड जो कंडीशन हमने देखी, दैट कंडीशन वी हैव सीन दैट पावर ऑफ वेरिएबल मस्ट बी 1 ऑलवेज, नॉट लेस देन 1 एंड नॉट ग्रेटर देन 1. सो दिस इज द पेयर ऑफ linear equation in two variable. In standard 9 we have studied a kind of linear equation in two variable. In standard 10 we are going to learn the pair of linear equation in two variable. What is the difference? That in standard 9 we have seen that there are infinitely many solutions of linear equation in two variable. In standard 10 we'll solve the both equation together, and we'll see the different method to find solutions of pair of linear equation in two variable. Wait for the next video in which we are going to see it. Till then, take care and bye bye.